Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are enjoying your Sunday. Hope you all are having fun. And today, I'm not going to say the color, but I would suggest have bath with some rock salt in your water, and also in the evening go and spend some time by a park or a beach or a fresh air, because a lot of things running in your mind, a lot of plannings happening in your mind. Some of you, I feel, are stuck with some financial issues for which your mind is haywire. But let's see what is in the cards. Okay, the first card is Prince of Hearts. So here I feel maybe you're worried about your loved ones or fulfilling their dreams and fulfilling their wishes. Maybe that's the reason I felt financially you feel it is worried. And the Two of Wands basically is your mind is stuck between two things. You're not understanding which direction to take and what to do, because your mind and your heart are actually not allowing you to take the right decision, is what I feel. But seeing the Two of Wands, I feel if you plan properly, then you will be able to do it. You just need to understand that when you take a decision, and then when you take a new direction, when you move forward, there is no looking back. So there's no point sitting and breaking your head as to what is there in the other side, because you have decided to go in one path. Then trust your inner feel, trust your heart, and take this thing in mind that whatever you have decided is going to be good, and it is going to be in your favor. And then what will happen is, whatever encounters happen, whatever things happen, regardless of finances, emotions, and everything, once you plan and explore it carefully, you will be able to handle the situation really, really well. I also would like to say one thing today, because I don't know, I feel you should offer some white flowers in your puja room, or go to some temple nearby, buy some white flowers and offer to the god or the goddess over there. And I'm sure the divine has some plans for you, has some answers for you. Also today, if possible, feed three poor people or feed three stray animals, and then I feel that things will fall in place, and you will be able to handle the situation or plan the situation properly. Have a beautiful and a blessed Sunday.